Hello friends, welcome to another video on our channel scamlazy.com. Again today we are going to talk about a keto gummies. This time Keto Bites Gummies Shark Tank is a new hype in the US market and many ads and posts are promoting this product. So is this an effective option for weight loss or just another scam? Watch our full Keto Bites ACV gummy review to know the truth behind this product. Right now, many keto gummies ads are running on Facebook ads and also many reviews are available on the internet, but most of them are fake and scam. So before you believe and trust on all those reviews and ads, you should know the facts and all the truth of this supplement. So let's just come to the what is Keto Bites gummies. Keto Bites gummies are a keto gummy solution that claims to start the ketosis process and helps to losing weight. As per the official website of this product, it helps to get into the ketosis process without any diet and exercise. However, we did not get much information about the product because the seller do not provide much information of their product. We just saw BHB name and bottle says it has ACV, which is apple cider vinegar. Apart from this, the product has nothing as per the official website. Now let's come to the Keto Bites gummies ingredient section. The ingredient of this Keto Bites gummies are not disclosed by the seller, which is already a negative point for the product. Most of the brands like this do the same thing and scam people with their low quality products. However, throughout the research of this product, we saw that the official website is using a popular term called BHB as the main highlight and use Dr. O's name too, which is already a scam. But there are no genuine details shared regarding the ingredients and do not provide any evidence of the effectiveness of the product. The same thing happening with other keto scam which is already exposed on our channel. Now let's come to the Keto Bites seller information. So there is no details provided by the seller. This is common thing that you can see in the most of the scam and poor quality brands. Product like Keto Bite gummies fall in the same category that does not reveal the seller information at all. So this type of product comes into the market to make money with their low quality product and stink like they never exist. Even Keto Bites gummies seller does not provide basic customer care and contact us page for their product. So you can't trust the seller and most product like this scam with people. Now let's come to the Keto Bites Shark Tank hype. This term also running on the internet. Keto Bites ACV gummies are endorsed by Shark Tank. But let me clear that the Shark Tank never endorsed any keto gummies, even though we have already covered the full Shark Tank keto gummies scam on our website too. We can check in the description box. We have shared how this type of supplement does the Shark Tank scam on our official website. This type of hype created by using Facebook ads and fake Shark Tank pages. Now let's come to the Keto Bites gummies reviews which are paid and sponsored. Yes, this is true that 99% of the reviews of Keto Bites gummies are paid and sponsored by the publishers, because product like Keto Bites gummies Shark Tank scam mostly filled the search result with the positive reviews, so you can only able to read good things about this product without any fact and evidence. But we found a TikTok user who used the same type of product and shared her opinion. As per her experience, she got an appetite effect, but they said that the company steal credit card details and charge them again and again. Now let's come to the Keto Bites gummies side effect. Till now, we did not get any good thing about this product, so it is hard to say and believe that the claims of its 100% safe and secure is true. There is nothing and no study and no third-party test report or anything like this which can help us to believe that the Keto Bites gummies is side effect free until we did not get the full ingredient list and real customer reviews. So we cannot say that the product is safe. Now let's come to the Keto Bites gummies price section. In terms of price, we also disappointed with this because the product is charging too high price. The single bottle Keto Bites gummies cost $64, but many customers of such product complain that this type product charge them double or triple. Now let's conclude our Keto Bites gummies review. Throughout the Keto Bites gummy Shark Tank review, we think that this is nothing more than a scam and our followers must avoid this product. It is a complete waste of money and its buying does not make any sense. However, the keto gummies may be helpful weight loss and keto diet, but we suggest to opt some genuine and legit options, or you can consult a professional. For more such videos and reviews, like and follow us on our channel. Thanks for watching.